pizza slices. Thought I lost you months ago, in the wash with all my vices. You were under crooked tires, dust and hair ties, broken box, like a postcard from my chaos. Silent and left for Fox. Why do I always lose the good socks? Why do the weird ones always stay? Got a drawer full of lonely little misfits. Guess they're my people anyway. Yeah, we're the leftover socks, rolling around, getting in the way. Don't match anybody